So, hi guys, I am Kayum, and in this video, I will tell you about TR, that means translate command. So, let me try with this. So, inside this round bracket, suppose I am writing number 2022, okay, and giving the output it to the TR command. So, generally, TR command, what it does, it will convert one form of data to the another form. Okay, so suppose I want curly bracket instead of the round bracket. Okay, so for that I have type uh, double inverted quotes round comma. So here we want to search for round brackets and replace those with the curly bracket. So let me enter. Okay, so here you can see the output is coming in curly bracket instead of round bracket. So initially it was in round brackets, and after that it's in curly brackets. So similarly, to translate one form of data into another form, we are using translate command. So similarly, we are taking a string name as India, and we want this to be like A to Z is currently in small letters, so we want it in the capital ones. Okay, so I have convert small letters into capital letters. So suppose I am having India, so this is our output as in small letters. So we will translate these small letters to capital letters. So we are using translate from small letters. So we are using square bracket A to Z range. Then we want to translate into capital letters, so we are taking a square bracket A to capital A to capital Z. So in this way we have converted this. So let me try. Now India. So now let me take a pin code is, so I want to extract so suppose we want to get only the digit. Okay, so suppose we want to get only the digit out of this statement. Okay, so for that what will I do? I will use a flag in the translate command. So for that I'm using cd. Okay, so by using cd and then write the pattern digit. Okay, so here you can see that we are getting again let me give a new line inside that. Copy copy let me copy this, paste, then slash n. Okay, so here you can see that we have given a statement pin code is 420001. Okay, so out of this string we only want digits to be printed. So for that I'm using uh, um, hyphen cd as in flag. So and inside the pattern I'm using double square bracket for a digit class, then slash n for new line. So in this way, by using tr cd, we can only print the pattern we want. Okay, so suppose I don't want the pin code should be I don't want the digit to should be printed. Okay, I only want strings. So for that I'm using minus d, then what you don't want, type it slash n. Okay, okay. So here you can see that we are only getting pin code is. Okay, let me again give it so it will be clear. So here you can see that only the strings has been printed, not the digit. So for deleting something by using translate command, we are using hyphen d. So for deleting digits out of this statement, we are using hyphen d flag inside the translate command. So in this way we can use. Okay, so similarly for pin code is 420001. Suppose I want to delete. Okay, suppose I want to delete space. Okay, suppose I want to delete space from this code, so I will do minus d uh, hyphen d for deleting, and then space class. So you can see that pin code is 42, all the space bar all the space between the uh, words has been deleted, and it is clean one string. So in this way you can do like pin code is 420001, then translate let we want to change 42001 with 400. Okay, so here you can see that we can also change the value from one form to the another. Okay, so this is about translate command, guys. So thank you for watching this.